On October 11th, we set off on an unforgettable adventure to a breathtaking destination. With fall in full swing, the landscape was painted in vibrant shades of yellow, red, and orange. As we arrived, the excitement was palpable. After a brief stop at the entrance to pay our fee, we were astounded by the vastness and beauty of the scene before us. The sun shone brightly, illuminating the brilliant colors of the trees. It felt like stepping into a painting, with every corner revealing a new marvel of nature.
He said hello to the moon jar.
The area was bustling with visitors from all around the world. It was heartwarming to see families and friends enjoying the beauty together, creating a sense of community in nature. Hiking up the hill with our kids was a delightful experience. Each step was filled with laughter and curiosity. We explored the trails, discovering unique plants and the sounds of nature.
There.
Sam, she said no. I can't land.
From an ordinary person to an ordinary person sounds like a comedy.
Mommy, look.
Wait, we can back. Wow.
After some effort, we finally reached the top. The view was nothing short of amazing, a sweeping panorama that made every step worthwhile. It was a moment of triumph and beauty. As we stood at the top, surrounded by the beauty of God's creation, we were reminded of the verse from Psalm 19 verse 1. The heavens declare the glory of God. The skies proclaim the work of his hands. Each vibrant color and breathtaking view reflects his artistry and power. This experience taught us to appreciate the wonders of nature as expressions of God's love for us. Just as the changing seasons remind us of life's transitions, they also symbolize hope and renewal. In moments like these, we feel a sense of peace and gratitude, knowing that we are part of something greater. As we return home, we carry with us not just memories, but a renewed sense of purpose to care for the world around us, honoring the Creator in all we do. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope it inspires you to seek out the beauty in creation and reflect on the blessings in your own life.